So I realized that I never really filmed an intro for this video. That's something that's like a continuing trend on my channel, but nonetheless, this is an intro to the truck install video. It's actually been about 6 months since I filmed the truck install video. Problem is, I thought I lost the footage and then I found the footage recently, and so yeah, welcome back to another video. Today we're back, and today we are installing the lift kit on my 2023 GMC Sierra At4 Duramax. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Look at the difference in tread from the stock Wranglers to these Ling Long specials. So way more aggressive tread pattern, way more aggressive tread depth, and the sidewall design is pretty cool to see as well. These are by Atlas, though it is manufactured in China, so they're the Ling Long special. But I heard the Atlas tires are pretty okay for what they are. So this pallet has the BDS suspension kit inside of it. I haven't opened it up yet. There's going to be about 12 hours until this is properly cut open and installed, but everything to lift this truck 6 inches is in this kit, aside from what's right here. This is the string stabilizer kit, and then I have some Pitman idler arms that are on order, as well as my upper control arms. So some initial thoughts. I'm obviously going to have to trim a little bit, probably off the front bumper, but once it's lifted, I mean, it's going to tuck in pretty nicely. These aren't that much wider than the stock tires. Well, maybe they're about like 3 inches wider, but I mean, they're not terribly wide, but it'll be quite the difference, that is for sure. We do have an appointment for 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. They are gonna install everything tomorrow, so hopefully we will also be driving away with the installed lift kit tomorrow. Everything is loaded in the truck. I did go ahead and throw the shop vac in here. We're gonna vacuum out afterwards. You can see we got the steering stabilizer kit right there, and without this being too redundant, we're gonna hit the road. By the way, this is brought to you by Allen Tire Company, just in case they fuck up and like my truck's like screwed. This is who did it. I don't think that's going to be the case, but yeah, the truck is fine. As you can see, the truck is currently fine. You know what I mean? All jokes aside, I'm not really all that worried. They've done a lot of lift kits. I've not done any lift kits. I mean, like, quite frankly, they've installed more lift kits than I have. There's just some cutting involved with this lift kit, and naturally I'm a little bit concerned. Plan B, I'm driving 2 hours the other direction and I'm installing the kit myself. I love Plan B. All right, gentlemen, let's keep it appropriate. I'm filming for YouTube. Okay. I'm just gonna have to bleep you guys. So we got Tim here, we got Corey, we got the truck. We have a very not sketchy jack situation, and we are busy putting the rear blocks in for this lift kit. Make sure you grease it and tell her you're going in.
Literally just...
Oh, that's just general mechanics grease. Nice.
Yeah, just some assembly stuff. Yeah, give it a nice little swipe.
Little smear.
Yeah. We'll start with this end.
Okay.
Is the other side sharp?
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, lube that up. Lube that hole.
You know? Lots of that.
That's right.
And then you just freaking take that.
Senpai? Look at that action. Nice. Popped into place.
Done. Told you just gotta spit on them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Clean that up better.
And for those of you non-mechanics, spit on it's just a mechanic's metaphor for lube it up and put it in.
Or...
When the Fire Nation attacked. Sorry.
Everything changed.
Everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Alright, so one of the things is like, you don't really want to set that like split seam on the side that's going to be getting
pushed in,
the up and down at the very least. I prefer not to run the split collars, but this is what it came with, so we'll just make sure that it's not on that side.
Okay. Yeah, it's a 32.
Perfect. Just like that.
Yeah, it's a 32, 33. It's one of those. I mean, realistically, you're not going to run out.
Boom.
Too easy.
That's one end. Told you.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad.
No, not at all.
I used the press on the other one because it fought back just a little bit. You know, you spit on it. Yeah, this edge is sharp.
Yeah, it looks like it. Be careful when you're fingering it like that.
I'm a professional.
That explains the kids. It all started with a back massage.
No. It started at a movie.
Oh, nice. What was it? Monsters, Inc.?
What to expect when you're expecting.
I'm
only half joking.
Nice. You were only half expecting, too.
I was 100% not expecting for it to actually happen.
Hey, man. Close calls are close calls for a reason, and I've had one too many.
Hey, man. I don't regret my kids at all.
Absolutely not.
They're the best.
I believe it.
They're the best thing I've ever done. Alright.
And you're a fabricator, so I know that's the truth.
Yeah. Boom. See?
Too easy. All right, cool. All right, and that's the shocks.
Boom.
It only took 3 minutes. Thank you, sir.
Them box shocks, baby.
Yes, sir.
Probably metric though. Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. So the rear is done. The rear lift is done, and it looks menacing. This is without the tires. It's considerably taller than it was. I mean, like, look at that. That's crazy. But we're gonna do the front now. Alrighty, guys. So we have the diff out right now. We finished disassembling the entire front end, and we're about to make the cut for the drop bracket for the differential. There's a couple of cuts we need to make, and after that we're in assembly mode. So now we're cutting the dust shield to clear the new knuckle on the lift kit. We're just going to do the straight line down. this is the finished product. Special thanks to Race Club Fabrication and Tim. It's currently like 4 a.m. We've spent the last 12 hours wrenching on this. And do you think it's worth it?
Are you happy?
Absolutely.
Alright, then it's worth it.
Too easy. Flash forward about a couple of weeks, and we are off-road in my brand new lifted 2023 Duramax. I got Ben here. He's taking a video of the view. Immaculate. Alrighty guys, so I'm currently on the coastline, and I thought what better way to reveal the truck after all this time than to take you guys to a beautiful view at sunset. Isn't this romantic? So you might have seen one of my YouTube shorts kind of highlighting the lift kit, but I haven't really done a formal reveal. I think the biggest reason is because I've just been lazy, quite frankly. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely way taller than stock. I guess like as a tall guy, it probably doesn't do it much justice on camera. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely way higher than stock. We did go ahead and slap a drop hitch on here. I do still have the M3. We still have to tow it sometimes, and we need a drop hitch to be able to facilitate that. Now you might see that the rooftop tent is gone, and you may be wondering, Cameron, where's the rooftop tent? And to be honest guys, I sold it. I wasn't really using it, but we went ahead and swapped out the bed rack for this cam locker toolbox, and there's a whole bunch of goodies in there that we'll go over later. So admittedly, I have started the conversations as far as deleting the truck is concerned. Obviously, being here in California, they really like to be on top of the emissions crap, but I don't really care. So we're gonna actually end up getting rid of the entire DPF system, the EGR, all that weird stuff, and we're just gonna do a 5-inch stainless steel all the way back, so it should be pretty proper. I already started the conversation to get my kit sent to me, so that is something to look forward to in the next couple of months. Other than that, I mean, just gonna pretty much enjoy the holidays. I think it's time that I show you guys my new place, because I've moved since the last time that I've dropped a proper video, and I got a whole new editing setup too. So yeah, I think it's long overdue. I'm inside the house right now. It's Neela. She's chilling. She's upsetty spaghetti because I didn't give her soft tacos earlier. Alrighty, yeah, so anyway, so this is my editing setup. We still got the same computer, although I've upgraded like small things like RAM, SSD, all that cool stuff. Got some Corsair RGB headphones. These are pretty sick. Then we got the desk. It's partially put together at the moment. I still need to do like the drawers and whatnot, but this is where we do a lot of our work. As far as future videos are concerned, I know that I haven't dropped in months. I know that I have. Is this backwards? No, it's not. Is it backwards? It's backwards by the YouTube. See, it's the right way right now, but it's backwards in person. You know what I mean? It's kind of weird. Oh, maybe it's because I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna be uploading more videos. I'm sorry I've left you guys in the dark. I've had a hell of a year, and you know, I want to change a thing about it looking back, because it's been a year of growth, it's been a year of opportunity, it's been a year of learning, and yeah, still doing commercial real estate. I'm not sure if I ever told you guys that's what I do. That's what I do. I specialize in off-market opportunities, and well, the market's been very interesting this year. But nonetheless, yeah, I will be posting more videos here in the near future. The M3 is off at fabrication. We're going to be getting another car shortly after the M3 is finished. I've been looking at GT3s. I'm not sure if that's something that I'm ready to commit to, but it's something that I really want. I'm probably going to pay the truck off around that time and then finance whatever car we get then, but I haven't really decided yet. Nonetheless, thank you guys so much for all of your support. It really means the most to me, and I can't wait to put out more content in the future. If you guys are new viewers out there and this is your first time stopping by, consider subscribing. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a good day and or night wherever you may find yourselves. Peace.